Okay, now clean up the piercing. Ah! Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you clicked on the video, then you already know we're doing a piercing today. This would be my second piercing that I'm doing on myself. No, technically third. I pierced my frenulum like twice, but I pierced my nose stud right here and my frenulum, which is the smiley piercing. So now today I want to pierce this part of my ear. I think that's called a tragus, but I want it to be, oh shit. She thick. Oh, she thick, damn. Like, matter of fact, I've had over 18 piercings, so I think I would be a-okay with piercing my tragus, even though it's thick. I got my spray bottle here and my clamps. I'm just like cleaning it with alcohol because we don't like infections over here, you know what I'm saying? I washed my hands just now. Still gonna be putting on my gloves for the piercing because, you know, yeah. But geez, Lee is doing this. Everything's looking pretty sterile. I already have my piercing my piercing jewelry that I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna clean where I expect the piercing to go. My birthday's coming up, and I'm like, you know, for my birthday, why not do a piercing? Yeah, it's like 3 a.m. right now. I have a class tomorrow at 1:30. I don't know, I'm just really a night person. I feel like I have so much more freedom at night as opposed to the daytime. Yeah, that's where I'm gonna be piercing. Let me get my needle ready. Well, I'm gonna be looking for my 16 gauge needles. No, just a 16. Where are my scissors at? I don't want to take the chance of any of these ripping. Okay, there we go. I got some Aquaphor on deck. I got my alcohol. I got my clamps. And yeah, we're about to do this bit. Oh my god, I feel like I'm gonna cry. Scaredy cat. Needle ready. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, okay. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Shadow. You know, every time I'm asked by people like, oh, you got all them piercings, they don't hurt. I'd be like, yo, physical pain is temporary and it'll never be able to amount to the amount of emotional pain that we experience in our lifetime. So I will be damned if I do not do this piercing. Like, it's getting done. Fuck, go through! Go through. Did it go through? Whew. Oh my god, it went through. Uh-oh. Mama made a oopsie. Nah, I gotta take off my gloves for this, not gonna lie. Whew. Damn. Yeah, like my new earring. Damn, I might have to change the jewelry. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna use this one. Don't fail me now. Don't fail me now. I think I might fail me now. Okay. Now. The bowl, bro. Damn, that looked good. The bowl, though. Bro, say I won't just rock my piercing like this. Like, piercings are so much more difficult to do on yourself, I swear. Okay, now clean up the piercing. Ah! Ooh! Clean up the piercing! Clean up the piercing! Always clean up the piercing. Get your alcohol and clean the piercing. Get your alcohol and clean the piercing, guys. Always want to make sure you clean the piercing. Don't ever forget to clean the piercing. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, that was the piercing though, guys. It's a little swollen right now, but y'all are gonna see it in like a week. Yeah, that hurt. Yo, that look good. Hold on. Yeah, but again, thank y'all for tuning in this week. If you haven't already, be sure that you subscribe and check out my other socials, my Instagram, Twitch, pretty much all platforms at SkxttlesWanders. That's SkxttlesWanders. And yeah, I hope to see y'all next week with another video. Bye.